Junior cert and statistics. Let's have a look at this question. So the table below showed the distance in centimeters jumped by a group of students during a school long jump competition. So when you have a table presented to you, first of all, you see when you have a table, you know it's statistics. That's how you know. Okay. We have to understand the data presented to us. So when we are saying distance jump from 0 to 80, what does that mean? That means that this is the jump when somebody jumped, and the distance they jumped either is 0, so they didn't jump, or it could be all the way to 80 centimeters. That's basically the idea, but not 80. 80 actually is going to be here. So if anybody jumps 79.9, it will go here. And then if he jump 80, it will go here. And here we see number of students. So as we can see, everybody jumped more than 80. Okay, let's see. Work out the number of students who jump less than 240. So where is my 240? That's where it is. So everybody here jumped less than 240. So 0, 2, and 7 together, we have 9 students. So 9 students jumped less than 240 centimeters. Okay, let's have a look at next part. So next part B is saying, draw a histogram to show the information in the table. Use the axis and the scale below. So how do we do a histogram when the table is given to us? Okay, let's maybe get some line and some colors. So first, from 0 to 80, we have 0 students. Yeah, here we are reading number of students. This is the jump. From 80 to 160, 2 students. So we draw the line for 2 students. Then the next one is 7 students. So now we draw the line to all the way to 7. Then the next one is 12. So 12 is here. So that's how far we're going to go. So we can see majority of students actually were in this bracket. And then very few, 320 to 400, we have 3. So 2, 3 in between here. So our line is going to be here. Yeah. And that is our histogram. 2 graphs from statistics that very often come up. It's either the histogram or a pie chart. So you definitely need to know how to do those two. Okay, and then let's look at part C. Part C is saying work out the maximum number of students who could have jumped more than 200. So now the question is, well, where in our data will be those that jump more than 200? So 200 happens somewhere here. Now, the problem we are having is that we don't know if that 7 students, how much actually they jumped. We know they jump between 160 and less than 240. However, we don't know the result. That's the reason they are saying work out the maximum number that could have jumped. Not that definitely jumped, because from the data we don't know. So we know for sure that these 3 jump more than 240, that these 12 jump more than 200 and more than 200, and then the maximum number. So there is a possibility that all of those 7 here jumped more than 200. And then we put that in the calculator and we get is 22. Now that's the reason why they are saying maximum, yeah, and could have jump, but not definitely jump.